social care sector is facing one of the biggest shake-ups under these new rules. The government has decided to completely close the visa route for new overseas care workers and senior care workers. This means that from the 22nd of July 2025, care providers will no longer be able to recruit new staff from abroad for these specific roles. This is a dramatic policy shift, given the sector's heavy reliance on international staff to care for the UK's elderly and vulnerable populations. The government's justification is that it wants to push the sector towards improving pay and conditions to attract domestic workers instead of depending on migration. For care workers who are already in the UK on a visa, there is some relief in the form of a transitional period. These workers will be able to extend their visas, change employers, and stay in the country until at least the 22nd of July 2028. This provides a 3-year window for them to continue their work and for the sector to adjust. However, to qualify for an extension, they must have been employed by their sponsoring care provider for at least 3 months before they apply. After this 2028 deadline, which is subject to review, these care worker roles will be removed from all shortage lists, effectively ending this pathway for good. Another major change affecting some workers is the new restriction on bringing dependents, such as a spouse or children. Anyone who gets a new visa for a job that is below the degree level threshold, RQF 3 to 5, will not be able to bring their family members to the UK with them. This rule applies to those sponsored for roles on the new temporary shortage lists, the ISL and TSL. The government hopes this will reduce the number of people entering the UK via work visa routes. This does not affect those in graduate-level roles or workers who were already in the system with their dependents before the rules changed. This new dependent rule could make it much harder for the UK to attract people for these mid-skilled but essential jobs. For many potential migrants, the ability to bring their family is a crucial factor in their decision to move to another country for work. By removing this right for certain roles, the UK may become a less attractive destination compared to other countries. This will likely have the biggest impact on the health and social care sectors, which are the main employers of staff in roles falling under the RQF 3 to 5 skill bracket. It places a difficult choice before potential workers. Come to the